LF666 Drone, 8K triple cameras, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, and integrated screen for professional aerials. The LF666 Drone is a high-performance, foldable quadcopter engineered for capturing stunning aerial photography and videography. Featuring an 8K triple camera system, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, a large 4.5-inch integrated screen on the remote, and 5G image transmission, this drone delivers a professional-grade experience for both enthusiasts and seasoned pilots. Key features: 8K HD triple lens camera system, capture breathtaking aerials with the advanced 8K triple lens camera system, offering diverse perspectives and high-resolution imagery. 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, fly with confidence knowing that the drone is equipped with comprehensive 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, automatically detecting and avoiding obstacles in its path. 4.5-inch large-screen remote control, experience real-time FPV, first-person view, and enhanced control with the integrated 4.5 large screen on the remote control. 5G image transmission, enjoy smooth and lag-free real-time video transmission to the remote screen via 5G Wi-Fi. Brushless motors, experience powerful and efficient flight performance with the durable and long-lasting brushless motors. Optical Flow Positioning, achieve stable hovering and precise positioning, even indoors or in GPS-denied areas. GPS positioning enables intelligent flight features like one-key return, low-power return, and lost contact return. Intelligent protection features: out-of-control protection, low-current protection, tilt protection, electronic fence, intelligent flight modes, one-key takeoff or landing, headless mode, gesture photography or video, MV recording and sharing, trajectory flight. Foldable and portable design. The drone's foldable design makes it compact and easy to transport. Omnidirectional LED lighting, enhance visibility during flight with the integrated LED lights. Durable construction, built with an ABS high-toughness case for super resistance to falls. Specifications: camera resolution, 8K triple lens. Obstacle avoidance, 360 degrees. Remote control screen, 4.5-inch integrated screen. Transmission, 5G Wi-Fi. Battery capacity, 3.7 V, 1300 mAh. Motor, brushless. Positioning, GPS, optical flow. Package includes LF666 Drone, remote control with integrated screen, drone battery, USB charging cable. For spare propellers, color box, memory card. Benefits: capture high-quality 8K aerial photos and videos. Fly safely with 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. Enjoy real-time viewing on the large integrated screen. Experience stable and precise flight with GPS and optical flow. Utilize intelligent flight modes for creative shots. Easily transport and store the drone with its foldable design. Overall, the LF666 Drone is a feature-rich and powerful quadcopter that delivers a professional-grade aerial photography and videography experience. Its 8K triple cameras, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, integrated screen, and intelligent flight modes make it an excellent choice for capturing stunning aerials.